How to set up Kraken Pro the only way. Most people get this wrong, but setting up the Kraken Pro correctly is key to getting the best sound and comfort. You won't believe how easy it is once you follow the proper steps. Start by connecting the USB cable to your PC or console. The Kraken Pro supports both, so make sure you're using the correct port for full RUG and audio functionality. Next, download the Razer Synapse software. This allows you to configure audio settings, microphone sensitivity, and RUG lighting effects. Without Synapse, you'll still get audio, but customization won't be available. Adjust the headset physically. Extend the headband to fit your head comfortably, and ensure the ear cups cover your ears fully for optimal sound isolation. Then, test the microphone. Speak normally and adjust gain levels in Synapse or Windows sound settings. Enable the noise reduction feature if available to reduce background noise during calls or streams. Finally, fine-tune audio profiles. Kraken Pro offers preset equalizers for gaming, music, and movies. Experiment to find the profile that suits your preferences. In conclusion, setting up the Kraken Pro in 2025 involves connecting correctly, installing Synapse, adjusting fit, testing the mech, and customizing audio. Proper setup ensures maximum performance and comfort for gaming or multimedia use.